Another day of dressing up with me for work with what I have in my closet. So I have my basic layer. Today it's really cold outside. I just look outside. When I saw the cars, they're like ice on it. So I know it's going to be very, very cold outside. So I decided to just layer up, wear something a bit thicker today. I'm going for this green pants. It's an old pants, but you know what? Let's just wear what we have in the closet for work. So I'm going to put on this pant. It's a bit lighter because the legging I have underneath is extremely thick. So, and like I always say, at my workplace, it's really hot there. So I don't want to be wearing thick, thick stuff all the time. Yeah, going for this pants, and I'm going to wear this. I think I wear this one of these days. I'm going to wear it again today. Because I like how comfortable it is. I like how comfortable and warm it is. I'm gonna wear this one. Uh, Yesterday I kind of did my eyebrow a little bit. So it's okay. I'm gonna wear my shoe, my favorite work shoe. I'm gonna wear this one today to work as well. Oh, it's so cold outside. I already have my hand glove. I'm gonna put on some hand glove because whew, it's extremely cold. Like the way it is cold outside, it is crazy. I'm also gonna put on a cap because I don't want to wear wig. You know, I'm feeling a bit comfortable. I'm feeling comfortable with my bald head. I don't want to wear wig. So the only thing is that I wish I cut my hair in the summer instead of in the winter because it's really cold this last few days. It has been extremely cold. So that's the only downfall with my bald head. But overall, I love it. It makes life much more easier in the morning, getting ready for work. Today is Friday. After today, your girl have holiday. So today is Friday, the 26th of December. I'm going to work. After today, your girl have 1 week holiday. So the next coming week, you guys are not going to get any video from me of getting ready for work. I'm definitely going to do other videos because I do have other videos that I want to do. I do have other products that I've purchased that I want to do. I also have some foundation that I got that I wanted to try to test them to see if it matches my skin, or I will have to go to the city and get a new foundation. So definitely you're going to get other videos from me, maybe makeup videos. Of course, you're going to get a video of me getting ready for church on Sundays on Sunday. But during the week, from next week, from the 29th till the 5th of January, I'll be back on the 5th of January to do get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. So yeah, now you're gonna have holiday. So this is the outfit for December. This is the last outfit for December for work. And I'll see you guys on the 5th of January with another get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy that I was consistent with this challenge. I did it 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks I did it, and I can't wait to continue this next year. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. This is the outfit look of the day. Simple but warm because that's the most important thing. I want to stay warm. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Simple as bye.